Thank you for tuning in and welcome back, team. In today's episode of Homeowner Tips, you'll learn how to create a homeowner journal. My name is Andrew Finney, your real estate geek. If you need help finding a top agent where you live, or if you simply want to drop me a line to say hello, my contact info is below. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel now and like this video. Thank you. Okay, team, so let's talk about this, especially for those of you that have been watching my videos over the past couple years and continuing to watch the homeowner series now. With those videos, especially those videos in selling, I'm always making a comment about a homeowner journal. So it occurred to me that out of the last 260 or so videos that I've created, I haven't really made a video on how to create a homeowner journal. So in today's episode, you'll learn how to do it. It's very quick, it's very simple, and really easy to do if you get in the habit of doing it now. If you don't have a homeowner journal yet, it's okay. You can simply go to the store and get some of the stuff we're going to talk about in this episode today and begin it now, so that when you get ready to sell your home, everything will be ready to go with all your house records and everything that a buyer is going to want to know. And along the way, you're going to be collecting some stuff and you're going to be learning some really interesting things about your house too. Okay, so let's talk about it. What are you going to need? You're going to need a couple of binders. Now, I recommend getting a couple of binders that are about 3 inches to 4 inches thick, because you need your binder to have room to grow. The next thing that you're going to want to get is whatever you can get, maybe like 100, 200, whatever they have on sale maybe at the office store, with document protectors. You actually want the plastic, nice document protectors to go inside your binders. The next thing that you would like to have is about 3 to 4, actually, that looks like a baseball card sleeve for your business cards. So you'll want a set of those as well. You'll actually want to get like Avery tabs or some type of Dymo label printer or whatever you like for dividers, because as it gets thicker and thicker and thicker, it's a little bit hard for those dividers to fit the right way in there because they start bowing. So it just depends on you and what your preference is. Maybe a simple tab will go on the side to label out the different sections. The other thing that you would like to get are like pocket folders for any miscellaneous receipts. Let's say you go out and buy fixtures for your home, you're going to have a pocket folder for that. It might make it easier for you, or you can simply just tuck it in behind one of the documents in your document protector for that segment of your homeowner journal. Okay, so that's the first thing. So the first thing is, when you open it up, it should have your home's information, right? And you're thinking, okay, that sounds obvious enough. So your home's detail sheet, you can get with your trusted real estate advisor, get the home detail sheet, get your lot dimensions and everything, and put that in the front as kind of like a cover going into it. The next step that you want are any of your service providers. So going back to that plastic that looks kind of like a baseball card holder, then you can put those business cards and insert them in there, so you have all your service providers, lawn care, who your favorite plumber is, electrician, any kind of contractors that you've used. Keep all that information up front so that you know exactly where to turn right away. The next step that you want to do is you actually want to go over your paint colors. And with paint colors, it's extremely important to keep in mind that you would like to have your exterior home colors and your interior home colors, along with who manufactured paint. Maybe Sherwin-Williams, maybe one of those people that you see, Behr Paint, maybe it was somebody else. Put down the brand name of the paint along with the paint code and a sample card of what that paint was into your journal, so that you'll always know for yourself too, if you need to go get more touch-up paint, you can. If not, then an incoming buyer would love to have that information so that if they need to get touch-up paint, they can. The next thing, and now this will go into your second binder. So now we're talking about the first binder is your homeowner journal. The second binder, let's call it a user manual or installation guide binder, and we actually want to go ahead and put everything in there for your appliances, anything that you have on your property. Maybe you have a pool, maybe you and obviously with a pool it comes pool equipment, filtration systems, pumps, if you have solar water heating, gas water heating, what have you. So put it in there and then label it out by section of the house. Hey, this is water heater, this is kitchen appliances, this is wet bar, this is exterior to do with the pool, and then keep that in a separate binder and keep your binders close together so you don't ever lose them. Even like your HVAC system, stove, sink, all those user guides and manuals should go in there so that you always have that information available if you need to contact the manufacturer, get any kind of replacement warranty it might have on it, or simply give them a call to see what you can do to correct something or order something new if you need a replacement part. Now, going back to our more favorite home journal, right? That's pretty fun. Actually, and give yourself some dream room towards the back of that binder. And with the dream room, we're talking about project ideas. When you bought your house, I'm willing to bet you that you had ideas of, oh, I want to renovate the kitchen. I want to renovate the bathroom. I'm going to do a new granite here. I'm going to do one of those really nice gourmet kitchens for the kitchen remodel. And in the bathroom, in the master bathroom retreat, it's going to be a spa shower, right? You want to go ahead and keep those project ideas together so you can keep on envisioning what you want to do to your new home and to your home into the future, and go ahead and start planning it out by the cost of it, and you can start collecting some things. So other things that you can include into your binder that are really, really smart that you include into your homeowner journal here is any kind of engineer reports if you have any. Now, you may not have an engineer report unless there's been a travesty on your property, say, a tree fell onto the roof, that kind of a problem. You would want a copy of that report and to put it in there because you're going to need that later for what's called a seller's real property disclosure. So go ahead and keep that handy in your homeowner journal if, God forbid, that happens. The next thing is, if you live in an HOA community, make a segment for your HOA covenant codes, restrictions, and bylaws. And go ahead and keep them handy as well in your homeowner journal. The next thing that you would like to keep, and you get this from your trusted real estate advisor at the time that you close too, is a copy of your home appraisal report so that you have when the last time your home was appraised for, what it appraised for, and how they did it. The next thing that you would like is any kind of certifications or recommendations. Maybe you've invited energy efficient folk to your home and they've given you a report of what you could do to your home to make it more energy efficient. Keep that. Also, keep before and after pictures of any home renovations that you've done or completed, okay? The next thing that you want to keep in there is actually a home maintenance schedule. So with your home maintenance schedule, you know what you're supposed to do for your seasonal maintenance from the spring to the fall to the winter and the summer, right? So, and keep a home maintenance log along with any repair receipts or any time that you need to contact a certified professional to come out and get it done. Keeping track of all those receipts, keeping track of all the work that's being done on your property, and along with anything else that you can think of as it pertains to your home is genius. Because when you come into an appraisal, especially if you do like a lot of home renovations, guess what that appraiser is going to love you for? Having all those receipts and having the date and the year that you started doing everything. So I have a feeling that this is going to really resonate with a lot of you out there right now. And we're probably going to do like an arts and crafts type video here coming up before too long, showing you exactly how I maintain my own personal homeowner journal and giving you some better ideas on how to do that. For now, tell me what you're thinking from this video and what was most impactful to you. Was it the fact, number one, of actually starting a homeowner journal? Or was it also considering that you need to have a journal for your home installation and user guide for your appliances? Tell us what you took and tell us what you're going to do next with this information from this video in the comments section below. And please feel free to share any of your savvy homeowner journal tips with us too. Now, I'm going to put my contact information up. If you need help finding a top agent where you live, or if you simply want to drop me a line to say hello, I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't already done so, I'm going to ask you to do 3 things. Number 1, please subscribe to this channel. Number 2, please like this video. And number 3, please share this video around with someone you know is going to be able to help. In between now and next time, I'm wishing you and yours a lifetime full of love, wealth, abundance, and happiness. See you soon.